Alright, you guys, now a little video here. We walked on a trail over here. It's on a little beach. Down at the park over here. So, kind of come on down here and walk along a cool little place. I'm sure I brought my mic, but it kind of gives you the idea of the wind out here. But yeah, day before you leave, Ocean City. What are they called? Horseshoe crabs we saw?
I think so.
Yeah, they're called, the ones you guys saw the last video, horseshoe crabs. Cool area. What? Yeah, shut. You can wheelchair accessible.
Yep.
If you get really crazy, you'll fall off. Other than that, so it kind of looks like you can kind of walk over there, probably. If you wanted to, you can. So you can walk over there, all the way over.
We help pay for this.
Yep.
Or future improvements.
Drove down here, so let's go see what's down here. There's an RV park on the other side. What was this trail called?
Don't know.
I don't see any critters. Say, you could have walked all the way around over there. Saw a couple horses. How high the water gets there. Probably comes in pretty far. See? Yeah, there's shells.
Yep.
Inching up. What?
I did see something.
Probably make the way over some way or another. horses. Visitor center was pretty informational. We were there the other day. The visitor center. People actually park there and walk. They're too cheap. It's a long ass walk.
It's a
Cool
long
bridge.
walk.
Cool bridge.
A long walk. And we walk. But that was a long walk.
It'd be fun.
Suck it up, Buttercup.
It'd be fun to walk across the bridge and back. I get that, but I'm not.
Not from there. Although, I mean, they're not going to come all the way out here. At least drive to the point where you got to pay.
Right.
And turn around.
We had a nice couple on the beach. They were RVers. That was kind of cool. Go on out here and see what this is. Look, listen, and smell. What? That's what, yeah, you could have walked to.
Black thing,
Yeah. Little bird. So. A lot of people on vacation would do what we do when we walk around, like just drive around, never know what you're gonna find. Like, remember we were in Maine, we went down to that one place?
Bailey's Island.
Bailey's Island? Went down there.
And that was before Google.
Right.
That was just a map.
Yep. Very nice little walk.
At least the toll's going back and only $1.
Yeah, I know. 16 bucks coming and going, man.
I could spend $32 on something else.
I think it's kind of freshly done. Got money back home, those. Ooh, that smells good. Kind of like lilacs.
Wonder if they're missing them. It's bloom season.
Yep. Pedestrians only.
That's nice.
What?
Not even no dogs.
Fragile wetland. Watch your children.
Ivy and ticks. Nice.
Yep. Well, comes the end here. Yep. The horse kind of go all over the place. We saw those two sleeping. Got up, so we'll come to the end here. But anyways, all the way around. The name of the place is, look, it is Life of the Marsh Trail. Alright guys, so there it is. That's what we did. Alright.